Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide certain sections on your mobile Wix site. This simple trick can make your site more user-friendly for mobile viewers without altering the desktop version. Why optimize for mobile? Before we get started, it's essential to understand the importance of mobile optimization. With more than half of web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a site that looks and functions well on smartphones and tablets is crucial for keeping visitors engaged. By customizing your mobile layout, you can provide a smoother, faster experience for your mobile audience, ultimately improving user satisfaction and increasing conversion rates. We'll start off by logging into your Wix account and launching the editor for the site you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to switch the editor to mobile view. You can do this by locating and clicking the tiny mobile icon that's usually positioned on the upper side of your screen. It's easy to spot and should instantly swap your regular desktop view to a mobile-friendly layout, which is perfect for making edits that target your mobile site visitors specifically. Always preview your mobile layout before making changes to ensure everything looks good from the user's perspective. Wix makes this process easy by allowing you to toggle between the desktop and mobile views. After switching to mobile view, you'll notice a sudden transformation in the appearance of your website. As shown in the editor in the mobile view, identify the specific section that you wish to hide. It could be an excessive text section, a heavy image slider, or an undesired element that doesn't translate well to mobile. Whatever it is, select that section with a simple click. Once you've selected the particular section you'd like to hide, a toolbar related to that section will pop up, showing various editing options. Among these options, you'll find a hide icon, which bears the symbol of an eye crossed out by a diagonal line. Click that icon, and just like that, you'll make the selected section vanish from your mobile site. If you're hiding a large image or an element that could slow down mobile performance, make sure to test your mobile site's loading speed afterward. Mobile users tend to abandon slow-loading pages, and hiding unnecessary elements is a quick way to improve performance. Here's a crucial thing to remember though. Hiding the section doesn't delete it completely. Instead, it transfers that section to a specialized location termed as the Hidden on Mobile panel. This panel is conveniently nestled towards the left-hand side of the mobile editor screen, making it effortless for content managers like you to access. Now, what happens if you want to reverse your decision? Say, after some days or weeks, or what if you unintentionally hide a section? The Show and Hide dynamic of Wix provides an easy remedy. Navigate to the Hidden on Mobile TV portion 10. Panel on the mobile editor, and you'll find the hidden section or sections neatly stacked there. Monitor them, and if you decide to restore a section, simply locate it and click the Show icon. The section will reappear instantaneously in its original position on your mobile site. With this friendly feature, the control over the visibility of your site's content is totally in your hands. You can use this feature to test different mobile layouts. For example, try hiding certain elements on mobile and compare how it looks without them. This allows you to experiment without permanently altering the design. And that's how you hide sections for the mobile view on your Wix site. With some clicks here and some there, you can customize your mobile site's appearance, providing an optimized and clean view for all your mobile visitors. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give it a try and see how it can enhance your website's mobile experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with more tips and tutorials. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.